If you clicked on this video, I'm sure you're wondering if rice water actually helps promote hair growth, and I'm here to tell you that it does. Hey guys, it's Anissa. So today's video, I have my 1 year update from using rice water. I can't believe it's already been a year, and if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you guys have seen the changes in my hair. I'm going to insert a picture right here of when I first started using rice water, how short my hair really was, and you guys can see how long it is now, and it looks way better, way healthier, and it's just amazing. This year flew by, so in this video I'm going to update you guys. I still use rice water once a month, but I feel like it actually really helped my hair, or if my hair just grew by itself, and if I think it's worth it for you guys to try it out. You gotta keep on watching if you're interested to see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have my jar of rice water right here next to me. If you guys don't know how to make rice water, I actually do have a video on my channel showing how to make it. I'll link it up top, so go ahead and check that out. Only the difference is with this one, I didn't add orange into this one. Like my last one, I added orange peels, but this one I just decided not to. So first I'm going to start off with what my hair looks like before. So I already inserted a picture in the beginning, so I'm going to insert pictures throughout this video showing the progress of my hair growth. You guys saw what I started with. I did a big chop on myself, and I cut a lot of my hair off. My hair was uneven, it wasn't healthy at all, and so I started off with a rocky start. Like I said, I've been using it for a year already, and it did wonders on my hair. That's one of the two things that I feel really changed my hair. If it wasn't for rice water, I don't know what my hair would look like today, honestly. Rice water is basically a protein treatment for your hair. It helps strengthen and grow your hair. My hair, since it wasn't healthy, I feel like the protein really helps my hair grow stronger, and if you want your hair to grow, it has to be strong. It was actually not good to overuse protein treatments because your hair does not need that much. So I actually used it once a month. So I basically did this like 12 times, and just look at the guys. Just look. I don't even just look. It's like magic in a bottle. It's literally magic in a bottle. Like, I can't believe this right here helped my hair grow. I started out using it once a month, like I said, and I did use it with orange peels, which I feel like the orange peels really help the smell. If you guys don't know, rice water really smells bad. It's a really strong smell, and adding orange peels or adding other things into it, or adding like essential oils into it, can really help, which is what I did. So I first started out with oranges, and then I gradually turned into essential oils. So I would add like eucalyptus, or actually have orange essential oil, and that really helped the smell. So how I would use it, I would use it once a month, like I said, and I would just rinse my hair in the shower and let it sit. And as I was in the shower washing my hair, I would just pour the rice water on my head and let it just run through my hair, and it's basically like a rice water rinse. So that's how I would use it towards the end of my rice water journey. So I gradually shifted to using essential oils instead of oranges, just because it was kind of a hassle having to cut the oranges and doing the peels and all that. So I decided to just use essential oils, which really helped the smell, like I said. So I would just use it as a rinse, and I would, when I was in the shower, I would put it in my hair and then throw my hair up in a bun and continue my shower. I would wash my body, wash my face, shave, all that good stuff. And oh, my nose is itching, sorry. All that good stuff, leave it in for like 5 minutes, and then just rinse it out with water. And like I said, once a month. It was kind of hard to keep track because my memory is really bad, so I would forget like, oh, did I do it this month? So what I would do is I would just go on my calendar on my phone and just mark that I did it, the day I did it, just so I wouldn't forget or anything. And if you guys can tell, my hair is actually chemically processed. It is bleached. So this is my natural hair color up here. It's really dark, and I bleached it to be blonde, so that really takes a toll on your hair, and that didn't affect my hair at all. Really, my hair still grows, it's still healthy, I don't have dead ends, it's really curly, my curl pattern hasn't changed at all, and I really think it's because of the rice water and the other product, but that's not what this video is about, so I'm not going to really mention it. But yeah, just protein treatments really help strengthen your hair, and my hair is literally a living reflection of it. Like, guys, I bleached my hair 3 different times, and it's still curly. My curl pattern looks the exact same. If you go back to my other videos or see the other pictures, my curl pattern pretty much looks the same, if not even better now than it did before. So yeah, it's crazy to think like my hair is healthier now, even though it is bleached, than it was when it wasn't. So overall, I think you should give rice water a try. If you're even considering it, just do it. It's not, honestly, it won't hurt unless you overuse it, like I said. So once or twice once or twice a month is enough. Like, it's more than enough. Twice, that's pushing it. Don't do more than twice. So once, good. Twice, okay. 3, chill out. I'm getting a little excited now. It's too much of a good thing is actually bad, if you guys have heard that saying. I don't know if I'm gonna still continue using it since it's already been a year. I don't know if I should or not. Let me know down below if I should continue to use it just to see how long I get my hair to grow. And honestly, this is the longest my hair has ever been. Like, I don't know about you guys, but when I was younger, my hair literally seemed like it didn't grow. Like, it would just get to like this length right here and stop growing. I wouldn't even trim it. I wouldn't cut it at all. It just wouldn't grow. But now it's the longest it's ever been, and couldn't be more happier. Oh, thanks to this little baby right here. So yeah, let me know down below if you think I should continue using it for another year maybe. I don't know. I'm really stuck on it because, I mean, my hair is, to me, this is long. Like, this might not be long to other people, but to me, this is pretty long. And let's do a length check. So this is my hair without pulling it. So I'm gonna do a length check for you guys. So this is what my hair length is looking like right now. This is what it looks like without pulling it. This is my shrinkage. So when I pull my hair, it goes all the way down to here. When I pull my hair, it goes all the way down to my butt. So it's right here, the longest piece of my hair. It's all the way down to right here. So yeah, my hair literally grew to my butt. I'm getting lengthy out here. I'm so happy. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys think I should keep using it. Also, let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like to see from me. I hope you guys liked this year update, and I'm really excited. Can't believe it's already been a year. Can't believe my hair has grown this much. And thank you guys all for following me on my hair journey since I first cut my hair off at 3 a.m. and I did my how to grow my curly hair fast. Yeah, that's my most viewed video. So yeah, thank you guys. Since that video, my channel has grown a lot. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.